first generation of computer was executed from 194 to 1955. Vacuum tubes were the main components for the first generation computers. It was a fragile glass device developed by Lee De Forest and was capable of controlling electronic signals. Their features were that they were giant in size, had slow operating speed, were difficult to maintain or use, and had high failure rates. The examples of these computers are ENIAC, EDVAC, EDSAC. Second-generation computer were developed from 1959 to 1965. Transistors were the main components in the second generation. These reduced and improved the issue of accuracy from the first generation. Their main features were that they were smaller than the vacuum tubes, they consumed less power, and generated no heat, which was an issue faced during the first generation. IBM 1401, CDC 1604, ICL 1901 are the examples of second generation of computer. Third generation of computer was based on IC integrated circuit. The first IC was invented by Jack Saint, Claire Kilby, and Robert Nace. IC reduced the size of normal computers, and the maintenance of the computers was simplified. The third generation lasted till 1971 from 196 for PDP-11. ICT 1900 are some third-generation computers. Fourth-generation computers were the real game changers. Microprocessors were brought into use, and they include all circuits required to perform arithmetic, logic, and other activities for all computers. The size and cost of computers came down substantially along with large storage capacities, communication, and reliability. The fourth generation is from 1970 to till present. IBM PC, Apple, etc. are the examples. Fifth generation computer is assumed to be the ultimate revolutionary dominance to all other technologies till date. Although it is still in its development stage, the ULSI and superconductors provide a promising future towards technology. Let's revise the important features and differences between the 5 generations of computer. The first and second generation computers used punch cards for input and used printout as outputs. They used machine-level language and assembly language respectively. CUI was introduced in the third-generation computers along with computer networking and keyboard as a hardware. Multitasking was the latest feature for the fourth-generation computers. Hard disk devices and wide-area networks were introduced. The Internet was introduced only in the fifth generation of computer. Hard disk devices are largely used, and since the fifth generation, computers are still in the development stage, we could expect some new and vast changes in the technology. There's no predefined fixed dates about the time being of the generations, so we just assume the dates based on a 10-year gap.